everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. It's great to have you. Today we're going to do something a little bit new. We're introducing a new robot to the channel. It is the iRobot Braava Jet M6. So you may remember that I have recently reviewed and put the iRobot 240, the smallest robot from iRobot, the smallest mopping robot from iRobot, through a series of tests in my house and told you what I think. Link below to the review video if you haven't had a chance to check that out yet. So today we're going to be unboxing the new iRobot Braava Jet M6, and we'll see what comes in the box, and we'll see how it compares inside to the 240. So stick with me, okay? Now that we've gotten that all out of the box, let's look at what we have here. So this is the main attraction. This is the Braava Jet M6, and it's a good bit bigger than the 240. We'll do a little comparison here in a second. The little 240 was about the size of my hand, so this is a good bit bigger. So we've got a clean button on the front, home button, and a spot cleaning button on the front. This is the camera system that allows it to navigate around your house. This is something that's lacking on the smaller 240. We have a front collision bumper here. This is the spray jet where the water sprays out of. And flipping it over on the bottom, we see here we have, looks like two wheels. These are rubber coated wheels. Looks like we have a sensor here to detect what type of pad is on it. And here are our charging sensors right here that will connect to the dock here, which we'll show you here in a minute, to allow it to charge up. Looks like it also has a looks like a sensor here on the back. So overall, the construction, the quality of it looks really good. iRobot Braava Jet. Well, let's move right along. I give you a little sample bottle of 4 fluid ounces of the iRobot Braava Jet. Looks like you pour half a bottle into the cleaning tank. So let's take a look at the cleaning tank here while we're talking about that. It is under this lid. There is a tank guide paper here. We'll put that to the side, pull the tank out and look at the size of it. That is a good bit bigger and does hold a lot more than the little 240 for sure. So there is the tank. Let's see, I don't think I put that in all the way. There we are. Gives you instructions on how to take it out, put it back in. Cleaning solution there for it. Power cord, of course. This is the charging dock, which it will back up to in order to charge itself, and it should be able to go home. It does come with a way for you to wrap excess cord around. There's where your charging cord plugs into. Also comes instruction owner's guide, and this is the mat that goes under the charging base, so that when it comes home and docks, this is where the wheels go, and that way when it comes and docks, it doesn't have a wet pad sitting right directly on your floor. You may want to be concerned about that if you had hardwood floors, so good thing they included that. Let's look at these cleaning pads real quick. Pull one of these out. Now these are unscented. These are just regular old cleaning pads. They are a good bit bigger than the 240, so they should be better for bigger homes for sure. It looks like almost roughly maybe twice the size. They give you 4 in the box, and that's about it. So let's do a little side by side here with the 240. Let's get this out of the way. Here you can see the 240 and the M6 side by side, and there's quite a good bit of difference. You see there in size. That's a large difference. One of the things I liked about the 240 is that the size of it could get into tight areas. So we'll see what we think about the M6. How well it's able to get in tight and clean into certain areas. So the other thing we want to look at here and compare is the cleaning pad. So one of the things on the 240 is the cleaning pad is fairly small, and as you can see here, the difference between the cleaning pads is quite substantial. It looks like it's almost about 2.5 times bigger than the 240 cleaning pad. Now the 240 cleaning pad, it does have cleaner built into it if you get the disposable ones, so that is a benefit. They tell you not to put any cleaning solution inside the tank of the 240. So that is different than the M6, where they tell you to put cleaning solution in there, but they only recommend the iRobot Braava Jet cleaning solution. We'll have to see if we can't fix that somehow. Anyway, so there's a unboxing of this, and stay tuned for future videos as I run this through tests, navigation tests, cleaning tests, and all the good stuff. Stay tuned, and we'll have more videos coming soon. If you haven't already subscribed, I ask you please go ahead and do that now. Like this video if you like this content, and we'll see you soon. Take it easy.